Hello, thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. I want to talk about something that has some really great benefits, and that is getting window coverings, window shades, window treatments from good manufacturers. And what we're going to talk about is the Hunter Douglas product, and I'm talking about the company overall. The reason why is this is a lot of fun. We've been in business for over 30 years. And in 1995, we did a job for this client. So now we're pushing 28 years since we ordered these shades. And these are Hunter Douglas Applause. And there's an issue, and I'm going to show it to you. You can see on the front, it looks pretty normal. But when we look on the back, you're going to notice, first of all, look at the color difference. Do you see how it has that almost burnt color to it? And as I go up even higher, you're going to notice right here, I might have to twist it. Yeah, right here, I heard it. You see how it's coming apart right here? If you look carefully, it's completely coming undone. That's bad. It means that the product is falling apart. So it's been 28 years, so what do you think? What is normal on that? Well, get new shades. That's true. But because it's a Hunter Douglas product, and this is the original owner, Hunter Douglas has sent a brand new shade. And they actually did it for all of the shades in the room because they want them all to match. So, something that you need to know. When you're purchasing a shade, you buy something that's good quality and buy it from someone that you trust that can help you to work through these kind of things. But if you move into a house and they have shades that are damaged, it's on you. If you're the original owner though, and you purchased them originally, you have a lifetime warranty. Now, it doesn't cover every single thing, but it covers the manufacturer, the product itself. So for example, the shade, if it falls apart, it gets replaced. But if a cord breaks, it depends on what it is. They have limited time frames as far as what's normal, how long are cords going to go before they break, for example. Another thing that we did on this one is instead of going, look, you can tell how old school this is because it has one of these kind of cords that they no longer do. It has to be attached at the bottom. And the new version, I asked them to do this for the client. It's going to have a completely cordless variety. So you saw the pictures of what was there as I posted this video, and then I will show what the other one looks like, especially in video format, so you can see how it's all working together. And my bottom line is this: choose a good company to work with that will back you up if you have any problems. And I thank you very much for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. Hello, Helga.
Hi, Paul.
How long have we known each other?
27 years, I think we figured out, or
Yeah?
28.
Well, either way, it's the same thing.
Uh-huh, yes.
I remember working with you and coming up with this house that we're looking at. It's a beautiful home. And we worked on it, and for me, I was only in business for like 2 or 3 years at the time. Mm-hmm. And you and your husband were very established in life, and I was grateful to work with you.
Right.
Can you tell me, lately, you've had some experiences. How's it been for you?
In
As
what
far
way?
as far as these window treatments go?
Well, they've worked just fine until the last couple of months, and then they started, I guess, falling apart a little bit.
Yeah, and honestly, after 25 plus years, that's not uncommon at all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So were you surprised that both Kempler Design and Hunter Douglas were willing to stand behind you and provide some solutions?
I can't begin to tell you how surprised I was.
Very good, yeah.
I'm delighted.
Yeah, and actually we got you with an upgrade too. So we went
Yeah.
from the corded version, which they're trying to remove these days, and they were willing to upgrade it to the cordless version. It's called Easy Rise.
Right.
Or Light Rise, excuse me. It was Whatever I'm saying doesn't matter. Anyway,
Okay.
I'm just very, very grateful. Would you say that if people had an opportunity to work with Paul or Kempler Design, how would you recommend that?
There's no question I would recommend you. Absolutely. You've been very easy to work with the first time around and this time as well. So no problems.
Thank you.
Really.
That's very, very kind of you. I appreciate it, and I hope that you have another 25 plus years out of these shades.
Well, somebody else might.
Okay.
It won't be me.
Thanks, Helga.
Okay, you're welcome. And thank you.